Hello everybody, and today I want to talk with you about how to download apps on LG Smart TV. Now pay attention, if you have your LG Smart TV, okay, you need to find in your TV LG Content Store. Is an app like that, okay? In my tele is color pink, okay? In this tele, okay, because I have another LG Smart TV. In this TV is the color blue, okay, like this, like that. Okay, now but the name is the same, okay? LG Content Store. If you find this app, you can open and find apps like your app store in your iPhone or Play Store in your Android smartphone. Okay, now this is too easy. You just need get your Wi-Fi connect, okay, and then you can download and update your apps. Okay, now pay attention. Example, this is my Netflix app. I already has this app in my TV, okay, but is I open, can I see this is a launch, okay, open, but is this has a new update? In this button say update, okay, basically, okay, it's too easy. Now you can download games, you can download apps to streaming, and you can download I don't know, apps like that, okay? And this is all, okay. Another topic is you want download apps from Google, okay? You need something like that, okay? This is a Chromecast. This is a new launcher or new system in your TV. You need to connect this in your HDMI port and open here with this button, okay? With this button open your new launcher, and you has with this you can have in your TV Play Store and download apps like Downloader and other apps. Okay, this is all for this video. Have a good day. See you later.